IKE K1, the smartest AI home gym and 24/7 personal trainer at your command. We've teamed up with sports scientists to create a comprehensive assessment system, so it gives a detailed breakdown of your fitness ability and strength before getting started. After your assessment, our AI system gets to work, customizing a workout program tailored specifically to you, matching your unique capabilities and goals. Then, K1 takes accurate guidance as your virtual AI coach 24/7, showing you exactly what to do, how to do it right, and cheering you up along the way with real-time feedback. Powered by our self-developed intelligent algorithm, trained by thousands of real workout data, you can get timely feedback and avoid injuries from wrong postures. No matter your goals, K1 has you covered. You can try out diverse workout programs, strength, cardio, toning, yoga, and meditation, to name a few, at no extra charge. With our patented digital servo motor technology, AI sculpts each muscle of your full body with 5 different resistant modes. Switch up your mood from solo workouts. Challenge friends and family to crush goals together. You can laugh, trash talk, and see your gains skyrocket. IKE K1's 2.1 channel surround system fills your room with crystal clear sound. Just relax and find your inner peace in your oasis. Make professional workouts happen anywhere, anytime.